Create a striking duo of boho bracelets, one featuring a large bronze pendant with a matching chain and secure toggle clasp, the other a triple chain design. Together, they blend vintage charm and modern style for bold, timeless accessories perfect for any occasion. These bracelets are easy and affordable to make, offering stylish designs, perfect for beginners and seasoned jewelry makers alike. Let's get started making these beautiful bracelets. For the first design, you'll need a bold bronze pendant, a matching chain, jump rings, and a toggle clasp. Simple materials for creating a timeless boho accessory with vintage charm. Measure a bronze cable chain to about 10 inches in total length. Cut it evenly into 2 separate pieces, with each chain section measuring exactly 5 inches long for the bracelet assembly. Open your first jump ring and slide it through the end link of the chain. Attach it securely to one hole of the pendant, then close it tightly to ensure stability. Make sure the pendant has 4 holes, 2 on each side. Open another jump ring and insert it into the other end of the chain. Attach it to the second hole of the pendant, then close it securely to keep everything in place. The chain will appear as one continuous piece, seamlessly connected through the pendant for a smooth, unified, and stylish bracelet design. Repeat the same process. Open a jump ring, insert it into the end of the second chain, attach it to a hole on the opposite side of the pendant, and close it securely for stability. Make sure you lay your bracelet flat on a surface for a clear view, ensuring all connections align evenly before finishing. Open another jump ring using your pliers, following the same process. Insert it into the remaining chain end, attach it to the last hole of the pendant, and close securely. Look for the exact point in the middle of the folded chain to keep your bracelet balanced and evenly aligned. For the next step, open a jump ring and carefully insert it into the middle link of the folded chain, ensuring it's positioned evenly before securing it tightly in place. After inserting the jump ring into the middle link of the chain, attach the toggle clasp securely. Then close the jump ring tightly to ensure durability and proper closure for your bracelet. Open the last jump ring with pliers, insert it through the chain's middle link, attach the toggle closure, and close securely, ensuring the bracelet is balanced, strong, and neatly finished. Check for any gaps or openings in the jump rings. Make sure each connection is fully closed and secure to prevent the bracelet from coming apart during wear. Your first bracelet is ready, beautiful, bold, and unique. For the second bracelet, we are going to create a simple triple chain design. It's quick, stylish, and can be made easily in just a few minutes, perfect for everyday wear. All you need are chain, jump rings, and a lobster clasp to create this easy-to-make bracelet. Simple materials combine beautifully to form a stylish triple chain design you'll love wearing. Measure your wrist carefully, then subtract about 0.75 1.0 inch to allow room for the clasp and jump rings. Cut 3 chain pieces to that adjusted length. For a 7-inch fit, cut approximately 6.25 inches each. Open a jump ring using pliers, then carefully thread the ends of the first chain onto it. Keep the jump ring open for now, as more chains will be added. Add the second and third chain ends onto the same open jump ring. Once all 3 chains are threaded securely, close the jump ring tightly to hold everything firmly in place. Open another jump ring with pliers. Insert it through the previously closed ring holding the chains. then close it securely. This creates a strong connection and forms the closure point for the bracelet. Choose the bronze color for this bracelet to match the previous design, ensuring both bracelets complement each other beautifully when worn together as a stylish boho set. Open a new jump ring with pliers, attach it to the previously closed jump ring, then add the lobster clasp. Close the jump ring securely to ensure the clasp is firmly in place. Check for any gaps or openings in the jump rings. Make sure each connection is fully closed and secure to prevent the bracelet from coming apart during wear. Your simple triple chain bracelet is now complete. Easy, stylish, and versatile. Wear it alone for a minimalist look, or pair it with other boho jewelry pieces to create a layered, chic style. Enjoy your 2 boho bracelets, each unique and stylish. Whether you choose to wear them alone for a subtle statement, or together for bold charm, they'll beautifully complement any outfit. Don't forget to like this video for more designs in the future. Your support helps inspire new tutorials and creative jewelry ideas, bringing you fresh, stylish projects you'll love making. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time and support. Stay tuned for more fun and creative jewelry tutorials.